Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikea. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. So I'm really excited about today's video. I am going to be sharing my January favorites. I don't think I've shared a a favorites video in a while. It's been a long time and I figured it was the beginning of the year, so why not start with what I've been loving at the beginning of the year. So this is going to be a variety of different things. It's not just going to be makeup. I have makeup, I have hair care, I have a few body care items, and there's a little bit of perfume in there as well. So if this is something that you're interested in, then let's get started. So we're going to start with makeup, and first things first, if you've been following my channel, then you know that I am a Fenty girl, okay? I'm a Fenty girl through and through, and there are two things from Fenty that I have been obsessed with and I used all throughout January. So the first thing is the Fenty powder foundation. So I'm a powder foundation kind of girl. I just gravitate towards powder foundations. They're just easier for me to use on an everyday basis. I do still like liquid foundations, but I find that powder ones are just a little bit easier for me to use. So I was really excited when Fenty came out with their powder foundation. Y'all, I am obsessed. This is what it looks like. I have not been able to put my hands or put this down because it's just so good. Even if you're not a powder foundation person, I would still recommend this because it's really pigmented and it's really lightweight. This is probably one of the most pigmented foundation powders that I've ever tried. You don't have to keep applying it multiple times on your face and layering it on because I guarantee you 1 or 2 layers does the trick. So shout out to Fenty because they did their thing with this powder foundation. I also recently posted a video of me sharing how I apply powder foundations, and I did a small review on this one. So I'll link that down below if you would like to check that out. But again, shout out to Fenty for their powder foundation. All right, y'all. So I said I was a Fenty girl, and of course we have another Fenty product. That's my favorite. Well, that was my favorite in January. These are the new cream gloss bombs from Fenty. And y'all, when I tell you that I'm obsessed with these, I am obsessed, okay? Honestly, I love every single shade, and I don't really know which one is my favorite because I think they all complement me very well. I'm not trying to be conceited or anything like that. I just think that the shades are very complementary on different skin tones. I think that they're super creamy and they're very pigmented. So I have just been reaching for these non-stop. Whenever I do a makeup look, I'm always grabbing these. These are just the things that I just gravitate towards. I love lip gloss anyway, and I was a huge fan of their original glosses. So these definitely do the trick for me. They do the job for me. They're just as great as the original. So if you haven't tried these, I definitely recommend them. And if you head on over to my channel, I actually have swatches of all 5 of the different shades so that you can kind of get an idea of what they look like on my complexion. But honestly, I think they're complimentary for all skin types. So again, shout out to Fenty because they did their thing with these glosses as well. So the next product is an eyeshadow palette. And I don't think this is a new palette, but it was on sale at Ulta and I just thought that the colors were pretty. So this is the, I think it's Marielle palette. This is what it looks like. It is the Marielle palette from Too Faced, and it says Marielle Amor Caliente. So I got this because I thought it would just be perfect for Valentine's, and I really like pinks and reds and burnt oranges. So I just thought that this would be the perfect eyeshadow palette for me. I got this on sale. I think it's actually still on sale at Ulta. If it is, I'll be sure to link it down in the description for you. But I got this on sale and I like it so far. The colors are really pigmented. I actually have it on my eyes today, and I have a tutorial of this look coming up, so you'll be able to see what the palette looks like. But I am a fan of this. I think this was like a collaboration that they did with an influencer. I'm not really sure who the influencer is. I'm assuming her name is Marielle, but I'm not sure who she is. But anyway, I do like this palette, and I wouldn't say that it's super unique in its like color story, because there's a ton of palettes that have color stories similar to this, but I do like the payoff, and I think that the pigment is really great, and the formula of the foundations is really good as well. Well, the next item that I have is a lip product as well, and this is from the brand Wander Beauty, which is a very new brand to me. I've never heard of this brand before, but this is their lip treatment oil, and I actually received this in my January Ipsy box last month, and I'm a huge fan of lip oils. I love applying them at nighttime. Once I do my nighttime routine, I like to apply these and I like to sleep with them. And this one is really, really good, y'all. So this contains essential oils, and it just keeps my lips super moisturized. I tell you this, whenever I apply this at nighttime, I wake up in the morning and my lips just feel amazing. They feel soft and smooth and super hydrated. So I am a huge fan of this lip oil. I'm not really sure if they have any other lip oils. This one is just a plain oil. It doesn't have a scent. It doesn't have a tint to it. It comes in this applicator like that, but it's really plain. I'm not sure if they have any other oils from the brand, because I'm not familiar with this brand, but I'm definitely going to be checking them out to see what other products they have. This is just my jam, and I've been using this all month. So that's actually everything for makeup. I know it wasn't a lot, and honestly, I don't have a ton of favorites, as I mentioned before, but we're gonna go on to the body care, because there's a few products that I've been loving body care wise, and I wanted to share them with you all. So the first product is this smoothing and coconut coffee scrub and wash from OG. I think it's OGX. I am familiar with their hair products. They have like argan oil, olive oil, conditioners, and shampoos that I was familiar with, but I did not know that they had body care products. So I was really excited to try this out. I'm pretty sure this is old. I'm not really sure, but I'm pretty sure it's been out for a while. I've just never tried it before, and I was really intrigued because it's a scrub and a wash. But let me tell y'all, this, it smells so good. It is just so creamy and warm. You definitely smell the coffee in here, but it's just so warm and cozy. I love to use this in my shower. I love to use this at night. It does have little small microbeads, but they're not harsh and they melt away immediately. But this is my jam. I'm not sure if they have any other ones like this from this brand, but this coconut and coffee one smells amazing. Okay, amazing. So next up, we have this body oil from the brand Pirette. So this is a brand new brand to me as well. And I was actually just on Ulta's website one day and I was just looking for body oils, and I saw this one and it just looked interesting to me. Mainly because the packaging, I just like that it was sleek and simple. And so I was like, you know what? Let me try it out. This body oil is amazing, y'all. First of all, it smells like coconuts. And if you can tell, I like coconuts. I like things that are warm. So this smells like coconuts. It smells very tropical. And I like the fact that it's a body oil that has a sprayer to it, because I don't have to worry about getting it all over the place with like body oil gels and stuff, like the ones from Vaseline and baby oil. Those ones get all over the place. This one is super easy. You just spray it all over your body and rub it in. It's also pretty thin, so you don't feel like super tacky when you apply it. It's thin, but it does the trick. Like, it's very hydrating. I apply this after I get out of the shower, and my skin is nice and oiled up until the morning time. So that's what I love about it. I love the fact that it's thin, but it's not super thick and goopy, and it doesn't get all over the place. Like some oils, once you touch something like your clothes or your bedding, the oil just starts to transfer all over the place, but this one doesn't do that at all. I know this brand has other body products. They have a body scrub, and I think that they have a body cream. I'm actually going to go back on the Ulta site and check out all of the other products that they have, because I am a huge fan of this oil. So if you are into body oils, definitely check this one out. I know they're at Ulta. I'm not familiar with any other places that they're selling the product at, but I'll definitely link this down below in the description. Right, y'all. So this would not be a favorites video if I did not include perfume. You guys know I love perfume. I am a perfume addict, and I actually got a new perfume. So I have the original of this. This is YSL Libre Intense. I have the original, but I saw a lot of people talking about the Intense version, and they said that it smells completely different from the original. So I wanted to check it out because based off of the reviews, this one is warmer than the original. And I love warm scents, especially in the winter and the fall. So I wanted to get this one, and I am a huge fan, y'all. It smells amazing. I've been wearing this just about every day, and I've been getting so many compliments. I went to go pick up a pizza the other day, and the guy that was working behind the counter was like, something smells good in here. And I was like, you know, it's me. It's me. But I love this so much. It's very, very warm. It's giving me warm floral vibes. If you like floral scents, then I think that you should definitely check this one out. It's very warm and floral-ish, but it has like a little hint of vanilla, just a small hint. So it's like a tiny sweet, but mostly florals is what it's giving me. This is perfect for the nighttime. I probably wouldn't wear this during the day, but this is perfect for the nighttime, and it smells amazing. But I also think the original smells good too. Comparable though, this one is just a little bit warmer than the original one. Hence Intense. I figured it would be warmer, and I love it. I'll probably end up getting the bigger bottle because it's my jam. So I have one skincare product that I wanted to share with you all, and it is a face cream. This is the Magic Cream from Charlotte Tilbury, and I know that this has been out for a while, but I started using it maybe like towards the end of December, early January, and that's because my skin was so dry. I ended up getting one of those small samples during the birthday gifts that they give you at Sephora. I ended up getting one of those, and I decided to try it out. I loved it so much that I went and purchased the full size. Y'all, I am a huge fan of this. It is so good if you have dry skin. I use this at nighttime. I know they have a night cream, but I actually just use this one. It works perfectly fine. But I will warn you, she is thick. She is thick, thick. But it's Magic Cream because as soon as you apply it on your face, it just melts right into your skin, and it keeps it so soft and smooth. Like when you wake up in the morning, your skin feels like butter, okay? Like butter. But I've just been a huge fan of this cream, and I'll probably try out some more products from Charlotte Tilbury's skincare line because I've heard some great things about the serum as well. So shout out to Charlotte Tilbury because this is my jam too, okay? All right, so this next product is a hair product, and it is from the brand Bread. It's a hair oil, and it's supposed to be like a lip gloss for your hair, and it is for curly hair types 3A through 4C. So this is what it actually looks like. I just like to keep it in the box because the oils get all over the place. But that's what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty, really aesthetically pleasing. I was introduced to this oil from the Glam Twins. They had shared this in their Sephora VIB recommendations back in November, I think it was. They shared this, and I went to grab it, and y'all, it smells so good. It smells like coconuts. I'm gonna open it. Hopefully we don't have an accident. It smells like coconuts and pineapple and oranges. It literally just smells like the beach. It smells like a tropical vacation. But I really do like this stuff. It adds like an extra gloss to your hair. I don't use this on my units or anything like that, but I do use this on my natural hair. Whenever I have my wash days, I apply this just for an extra glow. But I will say be very careful because a little goes a long way. You definitely don't need to use a lot of this. Otherwise, it'll weigh your hair down. I just use like a dime size amount and it works perfectly fine. I've had this for maybe like a month or two and I haven't even barely put a dent in it, but I really do like this stuff. It is a Black owned brand as well, and they're sold at Sephora. I'm excited to try out some of their other products. This is the only thing that I have from them, but I'm really excited to try out their shampoos and all of the other products that they have. So the next product that I have is also a hair product, and this is a heat protectant spray. I got this off of Amazon. I had seen somebody on Instagram talking about this heat protectant spray, and I was just like, you know what, let me try it out. So this is from HSI Professional, and it's an argan oil heat protectant spray. I really like this stuff. I use it when I curl my units. I actually curl my units quite a bit just because I like my hair to be curly. And this is great so that you don't have any heat damage on your units and it makes them last a little bit longer. I also like that it has argan oil in it, so it gives a nice sheen when you're done. It doesn't weigh your hair down and it's not super thick, but it's really, really good. And it smells good too. It also helps with frizzing. So that's a plus as well. But yeah, I got this off of Amazon, and typically I'm a little reluctant to try hair care products from Amazon, but this one seemed to work out okay. So I'll probably try some more products from Amazon, but I'll link this below if you're interested in a good heat protectant. All right, y'all, we're almost done. I think I only have 2 more products to share, so I'm gonna just go ahead and share these ones. So this is the Silk Touch Up Retouch Eyebrow razors, and I'm sure you've seen these because a lot of people share something like this or this exact brand. These are razors that I use to do my eyebrows, which I actually need to use them like today because my eyebrows are atrocious, but that's neither here nor there. That's not important. I like to use these to touch up my eyebrows. I also use these on my face when I want to like get the hairs off my face and touch up in that area. I like to use these. Be very, very careful though, because these bad boys are sharp, okay? You will chop off all your eyebrows and lashes if you are not careful. But anyway, I do like these. They are available at Ulta, and I think they also have these on Amazon. They're probably cheaper on Amazon, but they're only like $4 or $5, and you get 3 of them in a pack, and I really do like them. So the last item that I want to share with you all is a sleep item, I guess. That's what I'm going to call it. So this is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray from the brand This Works. And I have been seeing this spray all over Instagram. A lot of the influencers that I follow had talked about this spray at one point or another. So you know what? I was like, let me just try it out. I really don't have too many issues with sleeping, but I just wanted something that was going to be nice and calming and relaxing. And that's exactly what this is. So it's good to spray on your pillow. I also spray it on my sheets as well. And it does help to keep me nice and relaxed. It probably would help me fall asleep faster too if I didn't have my phone with me in my bed and I wasn't scrolling on social media all night. But again, that's not important. It is a great spray, and I like to spray it when I'm just relaxing and to calm down. I think this has lavender in it and chamomile, which y'all know are both ingredients that are great to calm and relax the body. So if you are having trouble sleeping, I definitely recommend this. I think this is the strong one. Oh, well, it's called Deep. They have like another one that's just a little bit lighter than this one. I don't know why I chose the Deep one over the other one, but this one works pretty well for me, and I just like it when I just want to have a nice vibe and relax and chill. So, all right, y'all, that was everything. I really didn't have a ton of products that I was just obsessed with in January, but I had a lot of fun filming this video. Sometimes I tend to forget to share the products that I've just been loving with you guys. So I am going to be sure to share more videos like this in the future. If you do like videos like this, be sure to give this a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Also, you might want to follow me on social media because it is lit over there on my social media channels. So you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, all that good stuff. My handle is the same for everything. It's Ikea Alexis. So be sure to come over there and say hi. Don't be afraid, y'all. But I will definitely talk to y'all later, and I hope y'all have a good one. Bye.